Hello ma'am, my name is Prachi Pradip Mohite. Today's my topic is a type of constructor in a Java. Today's date is 23 September 2024. Constructor are a special method used to initialize object in an object-oriented programming language. When an object of a class is created, a constructor is explicitly called by the compiler. Customer sum is always the sum as the class name and has no return type, not even void. This is a basic introduction to what a constructor. Next in his answer we will explore the types of constructor. Types of constructor. A constructor is a code in this is environment. This is environment to method was instance of the class is created. Instance of a class is created. It's called memory for the object allocated in this memory. When constructor called its special kind of method used to get that item started last once constructor is involved every time an object is created with it's created with new keywords. Constructor in a Java constructor in a Java these types of constructor. First is a hierarchical. Second is a first is the default parameter private copyright constructor. Second is a parameterized constructor. Third is a private constructor. Fourth is a copy constructor. Default constructor is a automatically provided by Java if provided by Java. If other constructor is explained define the class, it is explaining the class. It is take the argument and the initialization that object with default value, null of for reference type of the types, 0 for numbers types false, boolean. Let's code is a boolean. That default constructor are mostly uses of Java. Automatically provided by other constructor. Other constructor explicitly define in the class. It take two argument and initialize the object with the default null reference types of a number. This is a default constructor. Constructor is a very common thing. Next default constructor is automatically provide. Java in the other constructor is explicitly defined in the class. It takes no argument and initialize the object with the default values, and initialize the object in the default values. For null reference types class, public, class in object. This is a constructor types. Thank you.